Is it time to buy or sell Adobe Systems stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Adobe Systems. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, June 12, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Boost your experience by joining our YouTube membership. Choose the supporter tier to show your appreciation with a loyalty badge, or the trader tier to request video analysis of the company of your choice. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since June 8, 2023, our system has ranked Adobe Systems as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.00. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. During this period, the stock has outperformed our expectations, with a gain of 8.11% since we first recommended buying Adobe Systems 3 days ago. This translates to an average return of 2.7% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system anticipates high volatility and risk for the following trading day. Given the latest developments, we are unable to determine the stock's next direction, as it could go either way. The stock has broken the wide and strong rising the short-term trend up, and an even stronger rate of rising is indicated. For any reaction back, there will now be support on the roof on the current trend broken at $428.47, a level that may pose a second chance to hit a runner. According to fan theory, $503.89 will be the next possible trend top level and thereby pose a resistance level that may not be broken at the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential 14.85% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -14.57% and 3.68%. As for the 12-month trend, it suggests a 0.95% change over the next 12 months, with a potential return between -40.83% and -3.31%. This translates to a price range of $280.84 to $458.91 after a year. Our latest daily update for Adobe Systems includes the headline, "Evaluation of Adobe Systems stock downgraded after the last trading session." The Adobe Systems stock price gained 4.54% on the last trading day, Monday, June 12, 2023, rising from $454 to $474.63. It has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.04% from a day low at $459.42 to a day high of $477.99. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 14.26% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -1 million shares, and in total, 6 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $3.06 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of stock was $477.99, and the lowest price was $274.73. Currently, the price is 0.7%, or $3.36, below the 52-week high, and 32.15%, or $224.91, below the all-time high on November 22, 2021, when the price reached $699.54. Analyst ratings and price targets. On Monday, January 9, 2023, Piper Sandler set a price target of $415. On Monday, January 9, 2023, Piper Sandler set a price target of $415. On Monday, January 9, 2023, Piper Sandler set a price target of $415. On Monday, December 19, 2022, Citigroup set a price target of $355. On Monday, December 19, 2022, Citigroup set a price target of $355. Analysts have given Adobe Systems stock a general strong buy rating. They rate the PE ratio as strong buy and price to book as strong buy. For return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been identified for Adobe Systems. The Adobe Systems stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $441.35 and $382.43. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, May 12, 2023, and so far it has risen 41.49%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. The stock had a golden star signal on Friday, December 30, 2022 in the long-term chart. Golden star signal is when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and price line meet in a special combination. This combination is very rare and often followed by long and strong gains for the stock in question. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 21 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 11 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 17 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 13 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 18 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 18 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 11 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Adobe Systems. Adobe Systems finds support from accumulated volume at $454, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock may move much during the day, volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $18.57 between high and low, or 4.04%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 3.37%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Adobe Systems, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal P/E ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for Q2 2023 is expected on September 13, 2023. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Adobe Systems. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Adobe Systems encounters its first support level at $454. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Adobe Systems from multiple analyst sources is strong buy. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On May 30, 2023, Gloria conducted an insider buy of 224 shares of common stock. On May 30, 2023, Gloria conducted an insider sell of 111 shares of common stock. On May 30, 2023, Gloria conducted an insider sell of 224 shares of restricted stock units. On May 15, 2023, Daniel conducted an insider buy of 3,837 shares of common stock. On May 15, 2023, Dern Daniel conducted an insider sell of 2008 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -6.471. Overall, insiders purchased 32,459 shares and sold 36,878 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $451.75, -4.82%. This stock has high daily movements and this gives high risk. The RSI 14 is 84 and this increases the risk substantially. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 20 days ago. Is Adobe Systems stock a good buy? Adobe Systems holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a strong buy to a hold/accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, June 13th, we expect Adobe Systems to open down -$3.95 and start trading at $470.68. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and have a beautiful day with regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.